It's the second part of chapter number 7, The Magical Hat. Kabir could not sleep. He lay in bed, awake, listening hard. So Kabir could not sleep well, and he just lay on the bed, awaken and listen the hard. What he has listened hard, let's check out. Is he going to snore? He thought. Then Kabir has thought that if Uncle Som will snore. Just then he heard a squeaky voice. Snore? Why? He doesn't snore at all. Then he thought that it will come, voice will come of snoring, but still the voice has not came. What? Who is this? It seems as if whoever you are, you know what I am thinking, said Kabir loudly. Then Kabir thought that it seems as if whoever you are, you know what I am thinking. Okay. Then, well, it can, said Uncle Som. Who can? Asked Kabir. My hat, of course. It's a magical hat and can do things that I want it to do. Now, Uncle Som told to Kabir that it's my hat, it's magical hat, and whatever I will tell to it, it will do it. What a strange man, thought Kabir. And Kabir also thought that, oh, which kind of man he is. Strange? Asked the squeaky voice again. Who are you calling strange? Then Uncle Som said, Strange? Whom are you telling to? Strange? I am sorry, I did not mean to say that. I said it because it seems impossible, said Kabir. Then Kabir said, I am sorry, but I don't think that it will work, or it seems very impossible that whatever you will tell to the hat and it will do. Is it not so? It's impossible. Then, dear hat, behave yourself and learn to keep quiet. He is just a child, said Uncle Som. Then Uncle Som told to this magical hat, okay, maybe it was moving here and there, or Uncle Som was telling to the magical hat that, dear hat, behave yourself and learn to keep quiet. He is just a child. Then I don't know anything, but Uncle Som, I feel hurt when this boy thinks you are strange, replied the squeaky little voice. Then Uncle Som told to the hat that I feel very hurt that when this boy thinks that it's a strange, means this hat, this is not a magical hat. He was thinking like that. Now, well, you can't stop people from thinking what they want to do, said Uncle. Then Uncle also said that you can't stop the people of their thinking, okay. Now, my dear hat, let's think of better things. What shall we do tonight? In fact, I'm just thinking of going to Paris tonight. Now Uncle Som talked with magical hat, his magical hat, that now my dear hat, let's think of better things. What shall we do tonight? He said, in fact, I'm just thinking of going to Paris tonight. You can, said Hat. Hat said, yes, you can. It is the best season of the year. It's the best season. Now it's winter season, and it's best season for the Paris. Okay. Good, said uncle looking at Kabir. Now Kabir, sit with me on this sofa. Now Uncle Som told to him that now Kabir, let's see, you just sit in this sofa with me, close your eyes and touch this hat. Sit on the sofa with me and you just close your eyes and touch this magical hat. Now answer orally. What do you think? What will happen? What do you think will happen now? Anything will happen? Dear students, what are you thinking? Let's see what is going to happen. Okay. Kabir was in the state of shock. Now Kabir was in the state of shock. He sat on the sofa. Now Kabir sat on the sofa with closed eyes. Okay. And he has closed his eyes and touched the hat. And he has touched the magical hat. Now let's see what happened. Suddenly everything went around and round. Now suddenly, as he has touched the magical hat, everything has went round and round, round and round. Soon Kabir found himself on the top of the structure. Oh, tall structure. Okay. Now Kabir found himself where? At the top of the tall structure. What it was? What it will be? It will be the, let's see. Oh, where am I? Asked Kabir in amazement. Now Kabir has reached at the top of the Eiffel Tower and he asked that himself that where am I? He asked in amazement. Okay. It does not look like a place I knew. Then Kabir said, it is unknown place and this is Paris, said Uncle Som. Uncle Som said, where you reach? Paris. It's Paris. Okay. It is the capital city of a country called French, and it's the capital city of a country called France. France? You mean to say we are in France? Screamed Kabir in excitement. Uncle Som smiled and added, you are standing on the top of the Eiffel Tower. Do you like it? Oh, so our Kabir is standing on the top of the Eiffel Tower. Do you like it? Uncle Som asked to Kabir. Like it? Shouted Kabir. I love it, Uncle Som. And Kabir said, I love it. Finally, they calmed down. Kabir looked around and saw something that made his mouth water. Now Kabir has looked here and there, look around him, and in his mouth some water has came. Why? Let's see. In my mouth also water has came. Has your mouth water has came, dear students? Let's see why in Kabir's mouth water has came. He saw a man selling candy floss. Oh, yummy candy floss. He saw a man selling candy floss, looking at Uncle Som and pointing towards the candy floss sticks. Kabir said, I want one of those. Now, what Kabir want? Candy floss, okay? Do you want candy floss, dear students? Haha. Okay, we'll get it, okay? Now, our Kabir want candy floss. One candy he want. He has pointed, okay? Now, soon Kabir was eating a yellow candy floss, okay? Yellow candy floss Kabir was eating. Which kind of candy are you eating, dear students? Butterscotch. Oh, okay. It was the tastiest candy floss he had ever eaten. It was very yummy, okay? Ever eaten. It was, the candy floss was very yummy and tasty. Very tasty, okay? But just then a strange thing happened. Then a strange thing had happened. Let's see what has happened. Uncle Som's hat began to flutter. Okay, Uncle Som's hat was begun to flutter. It seems as it is time to go home. Now the time has came that there is need to go at home, said Uncle Som. Just shut your eyes and think of home. And Uncle Som has told to him that you just close your eyes and think about your home. Think of your home. Kabir did just that. Kabir had done like that, and in a minute Kabir found himself on the sofa, and finally he has found himself. Kabir found himself on the sofa. Uncle Som, it was a lovely trip. Is it lovely, dear students? Yes, obviously it was a lovely trip. Thanks so much for it. Uncle Som smiled and asked, where do you want to go tomorrow? Then Uncle Som smiled and told to him, or asked to him, that where do you want to go tomorrow? Kabir looked at the hat and said, I'll leave it to you, dear friend. Take me whenever you want to. He then put the hat carefully on the table and gave Uncle Som a hug. Okay, and finally Kabir has given Uncle Som very big hug, as Uncle Som has given a trip of Paris. Okay, then what is the message of the story? Message of the lesson or story is, we should not make fun of others. Kabir was making fun of Uncle Som, but Uncle Som was very friendly person. Uncle Som has given a trip of Paris, as well as Uncle Som has given candy floss to eat to our Kabir. And what Kabir was doing, Kabir was making just fun of Uncle Som for his unfashionable clothes. So dear students, whenever if our uncle or anybody, any relative, or any elder person, as you see, we should not make fun of others, okay? Because all are the God's creation, and you don't know that which kind of things or which kind of art they have. So we should not make fun of others. We should live with friendly nature with everyone. Okay, here we have finished our chapter. Thank you.